Hello and welcome everyone. In this lecture, we will talk about some other functions in PHP. There are a lot of functions in PHP and it will take a lot of time if I start explaining each one of them. So in this video, I will explain both the string and array functions together. And those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Okay, so I have created a new file in the demo directory of ours, and the name of the file is string and array functions.php, and in the body section let's drop some PHP. And in here let's create a variable first. I will call this, let's name this string only, and in here let's put a string. Hi, my name is Anirban. Okay. Now I will use the inbuilt string function of PHP, and that is echo strlen. Okay, so what this will do, this will count the number of characters inside this, that's inside the string variable, and it will print it in the browser. So let's go to our browser, and here you can see we are in the localhost, then the demo directory, and here is our file string and array function.php. So let's open this. Okay, so we got the number 21. That means it has 21 characters in this string. Now if I put a full stop here and save this, then you will see that is it gets increased by 1. So that means it counts every type of characters in there. It also counts the spaces in between, remember that. Now let's see some other functions of string, inbuilt string functions. So str to upper. Okay, let's put a break here so that it gets printed in the next line. Okay, now save this. See, we got everything in uppercase. So what this function is doing, it is converting each and every character into uppercase. In the similar manner, we can convert the whole string into lowercase. Let's put a break after this also. Okay, so it will be called, the function is called str to lower. Now save this, come here, hit refresh. See, everything is in lowercase. So there are various of other string functions which you can go and check out in the official website of PHP, that is php.net. You can read the whole documentation. It is given in a very good manner. And now let's check out some array functions, right? Okay, so let's create an array. I am naming this variable arr, and let's create a integers array only. Okay, fine. This much will do, correct? Now let's use a array function, inbuilt array function. So this is what we can use at the first. Let's see, if I want to know the max number inside this array, which is the highest number, then we have a inbuilt function for that which will do our work, and that is called max. We will pass in the array variable name. Okay, let's comment this everything, the string functions. Okay, comment this out. Now save this, go to your browser and hit refresh. See, we got 76. That means we have 76 is the largest in this case, and in the similar manner we can find out the lowest number in there, and the function is called min. Save this, comment this out, come here, hit refresh, 7. So the lowest number we have here is 7. We have some other inbuilt functions of array also. Let me just see. In array, if I am not wrong, and we need to pass here two parameters. The first parameter will be the element which we are trying to find in a given array. So let's give a random number, let's say 55. Then we need to pass the array. Okay, let's see if it works in this manner or not. I think it will not work like this, but let's see. If it does, then it's well and good. Okay, so we didn't got any message, because what the function is doing here, it is checking that whether 55 is present or not in this given array, and if it is present, then it should print a particular message, and if it is not present, then also it should print a particular message. So it is not able to display any message. We are just checking and we are not getting anything out of it. So let's use a if statement. So what we can do, we can write a if condition here. If in array, then okay, if in array, then echo out it is present, else echo out it is not present. Just save this, go to your browser and hit refresh. So we are getting it is not present. Okay, so I think you got it, because 55 is not in this array. So we are displaying the else part because it could not find the particular element in that array. So in the similar manner, like we have many other string functions, in the same way we have a lot of other array functions in PHP, built-in array function. So you can check that out in the documentation of PHP. And I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, thank you and have a great day.